Hey guys, it's Lawrence from Oasis Physio, and today we're going to talk about elbow pain. So a lot of people do come in with elbow pain and they immediately think, oh, this is tennis elbow because the pain is on the outside. But more commonly now, what I am seeing is it is a form of radial head instability, okay? And let's explain what that is first. So you have two bones in your arm, okay? You got the radius under the thumb, and you've got the ulnar bone right here, okay? These two bones make up your forearm. There is a small ligament called the annular ligament that crosses over the head of the radius, and its job is to keep the bone together and kind of contained in the actual elbow. So what can happen now with a lot of people who work in offices, they're in this position. So when you actually pronate your arm or cross your arm over like this, those bones cross over, okay? And it ends up stretching this ligament. It's not a big stretch, but over hours, days, years, that stretch can accumulate and result in laxity or loosening up of that ligament. So every time people go to cross now, that bone is starting to shift a little bit and it's giving people a little bit of discomfort, okay? So in order to help with that, I do recommend, ideally get out of the office a little bit more. Can be a bit hard if your job is, stuck in the office all day, so that's not a real big option for a lot of people. The second thing I would recommend is to train your supinator. So your supinator muscle is a deep muscle in the elbow and it actually crosses over the radius. So if you can get that a little bit stronger, a little bit tighter, it will actually help to assist that annular ligament and it will help to reduce pain. So let's go through that exercise right now. So just with a TheraBand or a little bit of resistance, you're gonna keep your elbows nice and supported so you don't cheat, okay? With a tiny bit of tension, you're gonna practice lifting your arm up just like that, okay? And that's pretty much it. You're practicing supination and it's gonna work that muscle deep inside right there, okay? In terms of reps and sets, you wanna keep it pretty high, 20 to 30. And because this is pretty portable, you can leave this at the office. Every couple hours, you just pump out a few reps and this will help to tighten that muscle and reduce your elbow pain. The main reason we keep your elbow supported is so you don't cheat with your shoulder, okay? You keep it localized to that elbow. So give that a go.